Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the great name of Allah who is most and merciful. First of all, I introduction myself. Name Ghulam Farooq, roll number 2K19, LCS 19, department BCS, batch 2K19, year first year, subject mathematics, semester first semester, instructor Sir Zamir Hussain. These are my topics, mathematics topics. First of all, we discuss about these mathematics topics. Number 1, matrices. Number 2, types of matrices. Number 3, operations. Number 4, transpose of matrix. Number 5, conjugate. Number 5, ERO, elementary row operation. Matrix. Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, symbols or expressions arranged in row and columns. Number 1, square matrix. If a matrix contain equal number of rows and columns, it is known as a square. Example, you can see here, it is an example of square matrix. Number 2, rectangular matrix. If a matrix does not contain equal no of rows and columns, is called rectangular matrix. Example, it is an example of row matrix, rectangular matrix. Number 3, row matrix. If a matrix contain only one row, is called row matrix. Example, it is a row matrix. 4 number, column matrix. If a matrix contain only one column, is called column matrix. Example, one column. You can see here one column. Number 5, zero matrix. A matrix whose each element is 0 regardless of its order. Example, you can see here, it is an example of zero matrix. My next topic is types of matrices. Number 1, row matrix. Number 2, column matrix. Number 3, square matrix. And number 4, rectangular matrix. Number 5, zero matrix. And number 6, diagonal matrix. And number 7, scalar matrix. And number 8, identity matrix. Number 8, identity matrix. Row matrix. Row matrix only has one row. Example, it is a one row. Column matrix. Column matrix just has one column. Example, one column. You can see here. A square matrix. A square matrix order will be same in square matrix. Example, you can see row and column, means matrix order will be same. It is a row and it is a column, means 2 rows 2 column. It is order. Rectangular matrix. A rectangular matrix, it does not same in square order. Example, you can see here, it is a column and it is a row. You can see here, it is a row, it is a column. 1 2 3 4, means 4 column and 3 rows. 1 3 rows and 4 column. Order is not same. 3 rows and 4 column, it is change. You can see here. Zero matrix. Zero matrix, all elements are 0. Example, all elements are 0. You can see here example. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, a square matrix in which all elements other than diagonal are 0. This is diagonal 1 1. This is a diagonal 1 2 1. It is a diagonal, and others diagonal will be 0. It is the other diagonals, these are 0 without diagonals. Matrix a square matrix in which all elements other than diagonal are 0. It is a diagonal, and other these are 0. You can see here it is a 0. A scalar matrix. A scalar matrix, all diagonal elements are same. Example, you can see here 1 1 and 1. Diagonals is the same. 2, it is here same, and as well as there and there. A diagonal matrix said to be a scalar if all of its diagonal elements are the same. Identity matrix. Identity matrix, all diagonal elements are equal to 1. All elements equal to 1. Example, 1 1 and 1 1. It is 1 1, and identity matrix are same. Identity matrix. Okay. My next topic is matrices operations. Number 1, subtraction. Number 2, addition, and number 3, multiplication. Subtraction of matrix. Subtraction of, if A and B are two matrices of same order m cross n, then their subtraction A minus B is A m cross n matrix, where each element of matrix B is subtracted from the corresponding element of matrix A. Example, you can see here A equal and 3 2 6 1 4 5 6 2 9, and B values 1 5 4 2 2 7 4 6 3. Now A minus B equal 3 and 1 subtracted from 3, 3 1 subtracted from 3, and 2 minus 5, you can see here, and 6 minus 4, and 1 minus 2, and you can see here, and 4, 2 and 5 minus 7, as well as 6 minus 4, 2 minus 6, and 9 minus 3. Now you can see here 1 minus 3, it will be 2, and 5 minus 3 because 5 greater than 2. 4 minus 6, it will be 2, and 2 minus 1, it will be minus 1. 2 minus 2, it is 2, and 5 minus 5, 7 minus 5, because 7 greater than 5, it is minus 2. 4 minus 6, 2, and 6 minus 2 minus 4, and 3 minus 9 will be 6. It is the answer of subtraction of matrix. Example number 2, as well as it is the same values A and B values subtracted, another A minus B, 6, 3 minus 3 and 4 minus 2 and 2 minus 3, as well as 2 minus 1 and same, as well as, and 3 minus 6, so sorry 3 and 2 minus 4, it will be 2 and 3 minus 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 1 1 and 4 minus 9 5 and 7 minus 6 will minus 1 and 3 minus 7 and 3 minus 7, it will be 4 and 2 minus 5 3 and 8 minus 10 is 2 is the answer. Addition of matrix. In addition, matrix is the operation of adding two matrices by adding the corresponding entries together. Example: A 3 2 1, it is plus with these 5 1 0, 1 4 2 and 0 5 7 and 2 6 9. It is 1 plus 5, it is a sign of plus. 3 will be plus 1 and 2 plus 4 and 1 plus 2, 4 plus 0 and 6 plus 5, 2 plus 7 and 5 plus 2, 1 plus 6, 0 plus 9, and you can see here A plus B, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 4 and 1 plus 2, 4 plus 0, 6 plus 5 and 2 plus 7 and 5 plus 2, 1 plus 6 and 0 plus 9, 3 4 and 2 6, 1 2 3 and you can see here 4 plus 4, 6 plus 11 and 2 plus 7 9, 5 plus 7, 1 plus 6 7 and 0 plus 9, it 9. Answer: it is of addition of matrix. Multiplication of matrix. Let A B N makes M cross B matrix and B R cross N matrix, then the product of A cross B is defined only when P equal R, that is number of rows in matrix B. In case the product matrix AB is N M cross N matrix. Example A values and B values. First row and first column. You can see here solution. The above matrices are constable for multiplication because 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 2 and 3 equal 3. Rule of multiplication. You can see here first row, second row, third. First row, first column and first row, first column and second row, first column and third row, first column. Now we first row, second column and second row, second column and third row, second column. It is the rule of multiplication. Continue. 6 plus 0 plus 2 and 1 plus 0 minus 3, it is, you can see here, and 1 plus 0 minus 3 and it will be 8 and 1 plus minus 2 and 12 plus 0 plus 14, it will be 28 and 2 plus 16 plus 21, it will be 39 and 30 plus 0 plus 0, it will be here same 30, 5 plus 12 plus 0, it will be 17. Answer of multiplication of matrix. My next topic is transpose of matrix. Suppose A is a Kiev matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging a row into column is called the transpose of A. It is denoted by A transpose. Example, A 2 3, and it is a transpose of, sorry, some problem here, 2 3 and 1 4. You can see a transpose of matrix. Row change into column, row change into column. You can see here it is column. Second row and change into column 1 4. 2 3 2 3 and 1 4 row and change column 1 4. It is the answer. As well as B 1 2 3 2 0 and 1 2 0 and 0 3 4 0 3 4 and 0 0 0. It is row and change to column 0 0. It is the answer. Transpose of matrix. My next topic is conjugate. We just change the sign of iota. Example, A 2, it is a A 2 3 plus iota minus iota 3. It is a sign of iota. Conjugate, sorry, 2 3 minus iota and iota plus 3. 2 here is the same, and 3 and plus, here is plus, we change, it is minus, and it is iota same. Here iota is minus and there will be in plus. 3 is same. As well as this question, 4 0 3 minus iota 2 3 iota and 5 plus iota 6 1. B 4 is same here, 0 is the same here, and 3 minus, here will be plus iota 2 same, and 3 same, here is plus iota, here will be minus iota, and 5 plus iota and 5 minus iota 6 same, and 1 is same. ERO, elementary row operation. There are 3 types to solve the row operation. Number 1, interchange row 1 and row 2. Row 1 and row 2. Example, you can see it is a first row, and it is a second row. First row change into second row. You can see here second row, and second row come first. First row come down, and second row come up. You can see here 4 5 6. It is a second row and it is a first row. Second row come first, and it is the answer. You can see here. Number 2, multiplication a row by a non-zero. Example, suppose row 1 multiply by 5. It is a row 1. It is multiply by 5. 2 multiply 5 and 3 5 multiply 5, 3 multiply 5 and 3 4 6. It will be same here. 2 multiply 5 10 and 5 multiply 5 it will be 25, and 3 multiply 5 it will be 15, and 3 4 6 it will be here same 3 4 6. It is the answer. 5 can be here 8 7 9 etc. different value. Number 3, add one row to another. Example, row number 1 and add to row number 2. Row number 1 2 3, it is a row 1, and add row number 2. You can see here row number 1 add row number 2, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 and 1. Here is first row and second row. 4 plus 1 and 5 plus 2 and 6 plus 3. 1 here same 1 2 3 and 4 plus 1 5 and 5 plus 2 7 and 6 plus 3 9. It is the answer. Thanks.